Welcome to the GotTrouble.org Immigration Law section. Immigrating to the United States. The GotTrouble.org section on immigration gives our readers a basic understanding of the principal laws, rules, and policies governing entry and admission into the United States. In this video, we summarize various types of immigration and non-immigration visas, the rules governing those seeking asylum and refugee status, and the admissions process and requirements to obtain citizenship through naturalization. Finally, you will also learn about the criminal deportation process. How does one qualify for entry into the United States? Assuming you intend to visit or one day live permanently in the United States, you will need to petition the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, U.S.C.I.S, and legally qualify for entry under their specific admission categories, such as applying for work, attending a school here, or applying to obtain a green card. The U.S.C.I.S supervises and manages all immigration requests for entry and admission to the United States by petition or at the United States border. Under current immigration law, an application for admission to the U.S. is triggered whenever an alien arrives at our border, even if the alien's arrival occurs at an established port of entry. Upon arrival, all applicants must voluntarily submit to a full U.S. Customs inspection, even if the applicant possesses a valid immigrant visa. What are the different types of visas? Millions of people enter the United States every year. The most common way to enter the country is through the U.S. visa process. There are currently over 150 different types of U.S. visas. They are grouped into two main categories: non-immigrant visas and immigrant visas. Non-immigrant visas are issued for temporary and short-term visits to the United States and include visas for business, employment, family visits, studying, and short-term tourism. Immigrant visas are issued to people who wish to live permanently in the United States. How do I learn about becoming a permanent resident? In our immigration law blog section, you will find articles explaining how to become a permanent resident and include helpful links to government agencies that provide the necessary forms, information, and requirements. How does the naturalization process work? Naturalization is the legal process by which U.S. citizenship is granted to lawful residents. The applicant must meet the following requirements: being 18 years old or older at the time of filing the application for naturalization, being a lawful permanent resident and green card holder, having a continuous residence in the United States for a minimum of 5 years or 3 years if you are married to a U.S. citizen, and finally, produce evidence that you have been physically present in the United States for at least 30 months and that you have lived for at least 3 months in the state where you claim residence. How does the criminal deportation and removal process work? In this section, you will find valuable articles on criminal deportation and removal from the United States. You will also learn the difference between deportable and non-deportable offenses, how the INS detention process operates, and the types of pre-hearing bond requirements available to the accused. Helpful immigration services and resources. For those seeking residency and citizenship status, in our Helpful Services and Resources section, you'll find links to online citizen test preparation classes, including English language courses. You will also find links to local job search sites, vocational training, and online education and degree programs. If you are relocating, you'll also find links to local moving and storage services and how to obtain a credit or debit card for yourself and your family. Finally, the immigration law process is complicated and can include many stages. For this reason, it is strongly advised that you contact a qualified immigration lawyer to assist you as early in the immigration process as possible. For more information and links to helpful services and resources, visit GotTrouble.org today. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe below.